Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Well, it worked for months, but during the live broadcast tonight, my Macbook completely stopped working, which means I won't be doing any live broadcast anymore without chat because I can't see the chat. Now, I don't know if it's the power brick or the battery, but I don't have the money to buy either, and I'm going to have to call Apple Care in the morning and find out if I can. Now it's lighting up. Now, this is nuts. After being plugged in and the power brick kept being unplugged from the power strip, now it's lighting up, now it stopped lighting up. Now it's lighting up again. So, guy called me, one of my viewers, and said that this thing may well have to be charged all night. It's intermittently lighting up. Now it's getting me a full light up. But let's see if this thing will boot up. But the battery completely went to zero. And maybe I can get back on. I don't know. We will see. But hour and 45 minutes and suddenly everything just... And this is why you don't use 10-year-old MacBooks, 10-year-old Macs that eventually will die. And my iMac died, and as soon as Kathy gets a car again, now this thing is indicating zero charge again. I have a feeling, I could be wrong, that this is the battery, because this thing is plugged in right now, and normally when I have this plugged into this power brick, okay, I'm getting gray now. So apparently it went from red to gray. I don't know what that means. If someone can tell me. I'm not getting any indicator light, but it went to gray. So that may be good, and the other thing, my mouse stopped working. So I'm going through Apple hell here. I may have to hook up the evil MV laptop and try to use that. And now I'm getting Firefox trying to load. Unresponsive script. God knows what... Good Lord. And now I don't have any cursor in my screen. This is crazy. What the hell is going on with this thing? I've lost the mouse cursor. This is cute. I have all kinds of mice in the bedroom. I have my little sports car mouse somewhere, if I can find it. If I can see it, which is the problem, I still can't see where that damn in here. And every time I put something down, I have to figure out where the hell it is. I was hoping to see a mouse, but I don't see a mouse anywhere. And they're giving me... Well, this is why Firefox stopped working. But this thing is saying zero charge, and the light keeps going on and off, on and off. It might be this power brick is dying. All my tabs are gone. My preset tabs are gone. This is very odd. And it's indicating I have zero charge right now. Alright, there's my toolbar. I hate Firefox for the upgrade and screw with things. Okay, the power light keeps going on and off. I don't know why. I used to have to take this in with surgical tape so it would stay in one spot. That may be the problem with this thing. But I dropped it. But normally this is plugged in, and maybe when I pulled it out something inside this metal thing, and that's why it's not working. I don't know. Even the bookmark toolmark isn't working, and I'm getting indication it's 0 battery power. And wait a minute. How can I have Firefox if I don't have internet? I got the internet. So okay, now the orange thing's lit up. If I hold it up in the air, it's lit up. So apparently it's charging. Finally. Oh, now it's stopped. No, it's lit up. Alright, that's what's going on. I hope this thing charges. And then I'll try to get back on live if it does. I'm sorry about this, and that's what's happened. And the guy called me from somewhere, not Wisconsin, and 6-week tenure tried to call me. Excuse me. And the pizza that I ate earlier has been attacking me. I think I need to stop eating that particular kind of pizza. All right, now the iPhone keeps wanting me to sign into the iPhone store. YouTube is not. There we go. Wait a minute. There's YouTube. And can I get... No, not now. I don't want... They want me to give Apple... Oh my God. Now I can't sign in because I don't know my password. And I can't get my password because I can't get the toolbar to work. So I'm going to put this to sleep, the MacBook, and hope this thing will work, and if it sits here and charges all night, and then try this. All right, I apologize. This is weird. It may be the battery, it may be, but the light is now finally indicating a light, but it's not charging. My battery may be dead. I'll have to look up on eBay or Amazon if I can find new battery, and then may have to take it to the Apple store and replace the battery, please. And Apple won't do that if it's not their equipment, and if something's outmoded, they won't work on it. So that's really kind of chicken shit. Excuse my language. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay warm, dry, wet or cool, and whatever your choice, and stay safe out there as I endure adventures in Mac computing, and it may be time to break out the evil MB laptop, reassemble everything, and see if I can use that. I don't know what the hell else to do. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye for now.